So how you never take that serious?
Listen, with the lives, he crashed out off live. That is different.
But
On the live, there's a lot of stuff that he has planned. He said, yo, say that, do this, whatever, whatever. And I'm like, all right, bet. That is why some of the times then when he's on the live, I'm me confused too, because me I say, I don't know if it real or fake. That is what was happening with me. So when you are saying that, oh, me look like me never concerned or me look like me never care, you have to understand that he's also acting a lot of times. There's a lot of time that he's acting.
But I knew that it wasn't acting from the first day.
Okay,
that's why I called
you're his friend and you know that, that's great. But for me, that day when you said that I should call him, he deliberately told me straight up, they're going to go live and say this. So I didn't believe it at first.
Okay. And the other thing that I had a problem with was, okay, so you say that you don't do social media and you always delete your pages after, you know, it gets too much. But this, you didn't delete your page. You kept it going. You were going on live while he was crashing out and reacting to him crashing out, which personally for me, I've been on social media since I was 13. So if my people were doing that, I would crash out even more, which is, it's crazy to me for you
so
to
what
even
you're trying to say, Cassie, is that she was enjoying it and enjoying the clout?
I do believe that, yes.
Okay, so let me respond to that. You see, when you said I was on the live the day when you said I was on the live sitting down watching Tavi, I was on live before he started crashing out, and they came over my live and said Tavi's crashing out. So I don't jump on live because Tavi's on live crashing out. I was already on my live.
Yes.
I was already on my live, and I did say I've deleted a lot of pages. You are right. But you see, this one, the reason why I even didn't delete this page is because I don't like the narrative being painted about me. And a lot of people are telling me to disappear and I need to go away and I need to do this and what I should do and what I shouldn't do. And I'm going to do what I want to do.
Okay.
For some reason, I just believe Cassie, you know?
But what Cassie's asking questions, so what is there to believe? She's asking question, what is there to believe?
No, for some reason, Cassie doesn't give me a real energy, bro.
No,
Honestly.
so you're saying
I'm not here for anyone.
I'm fake.
I'm not here for anyone to say any of it. Yes, TJ?
Who you think who Clout in another situation now? At Tavigate, Alda Clout or Alda get
bro, the two of them give each other clout.
Yeah, so in that situation,
so
when people do a series,
Yeah, it was a chemistry that worked for the both of them.
if people do a series, for my knowledge, a series is equal to both you guys. But if we're being completely honest, Tavi is the Clout in that situation. But did they both get Clout? Yes, they did.
No, but nobody. But you see, the reason why I'm asking now, everybody know Tavi, but Tavi never had pan the app none at all, bro. Tavi was just Tavi and him have him regular tone
Bro,
people.
TJ, listen up, TJ.
But you knew that, though.
Listen
No,
up.
He was
Tavi
doing
have
that.
name.
Tavi have name,
name, bro.
Yeah, him have a no, me know.
You know what?
Notice what I say, bro. I'm very specific. I say, yo, Pat on the app. Tavi name big overall, bro. But me I talk about like how you have your name pan app, Jaden. That's what me I talk about. Because we know it's a year level him you want to reach. But what me I say to is that Tavi did just pan the app, it was just like a regular TikToker. You understand? When the series start now, bro.
When I agree with that, respectfully.
Yeah.
Listen on TJ. You see, if for example, say, if a girl choose, who else we can say we have name on the app, but they don't really have the plot, no. Who we can say, like we have name. Who we can say have name? We have big artists, Savage then. Because Savage up on TikTok. And Savage a big artist. If she sue Savage, brother, he will get a blow up there, bro. I tell you that, dog.
Who would get a blow?
But that's what I'm saying.
No, that's
my problem.
Jabaz, that's what exactly my point. Because like I said,
you keep saying I chose him.
Regular person
like everybody's making it seem like I
in general,
targeted
I'm speaking in general. I'm saying if a girl choose, I'm talking generally.
Oh, because I don't want. I didn't know. I didn't target him.
Remember, say show the text and we say I'm asking for the
I was just trying to help.
So to me,
and then he just having feelings getting involved.
Tavi that come like a senseless pan app right now, like how your senseless and unique basically link up or that play data or what? If
I didn't go nowhere. I didn't go nowhere.
It just start. It just start, bro. But what may I say to you, if Alda really go take up herself and go link up senses right now, you don't think it would have blow up?
No, sir.
Of course. What you
No,
mean?
not really, TJ. Not really, bro.
Why?
Me not feel so. Me not
Bro,
feel so.
remember say
That
the man ugly, you know, so them that say, yo, watch a couple of
TJ,
no couple.
listen, TJ. And everybody will take up girl.
they don't have him as a laughing
break
stock,
up.
bro. Let me tell you.
I feel like that everybody that wants to say what they think. And what do you when if Unique and Senses start something and I see a 3,000 people I see over there, it must would mean something.
Bro, that'll happen at first, and you know internet work.
After a while, I go dead down, yes,
Hold
but
on. Aldaria, hear me?
Yeah.
All right, mega, yeah, the raw truth now. This is my honest opinion. Cause before I come on the live, I see a video with the proof and so. You see what people not understand on this app? You see them series and prank and storyline and everything, it come with a sacrifice.
yep.
Right.
I'm gonna tell you that.
And you see, my love, I am very sorry that you're going through this and I feel it for you, you know. Don't get me wrong. But you see, the minute you agree to it, whether even if it was genuine, meaning let's just say you never do it for the money or really just you want to help your old time friend from high school, whatever.
Yeah, it's a sales thing.
You have to take it. That is why I don't do those things.
Yep.
Because everything comes with a sacrifice over here. You see, when you end up sacrifice, darling, is your respect and your reputation. And it's unfair now because you don't deserve it, you know. Even in my opinion, people can disagree, but my spirit take you a certain way. I don't think you're this horrible person everybody think. But what you need to understand is you have to split justice. You agree for do this serious thing without for the help or for the money or whatever, and it comes with something. It's no way you can do a series with somebody who is mentally ill and they're gonna be peaches and cream. Right. Maybe you never expect it to be this horrible, but this is the situation, darling, and there's no going around it. So you see, my honest opinion to you right now is like you don't make your bed, you have to lie down it. You don't fear, but you basically sign up for it. You see, to me, if it was a genuine relationship, meaning him see him link you, him like you, and you deal with this, then me definitely hurt and say, listen, I love the girl because this shouldn't love him, I should try. But you see, the mere fact that it was an agreement, meaning you decided whether him beg you or not, you agreed that you said, okay, Tavi, I'm going to come on the internet, and we're going to do this and that and that.
But hold on, my last question to Alda is a series of
let me say this.
Get your speed with
Let me say this, Maya.
serious.
Maya, you are right. And the thing is, the thing is, what bothers me is not the disrespect from the people, you know, and everything is the disrespect from him and the fact that he didn't speak up for me. But he loved you. And he never spoke up and said, you know what, guys, when he first crashed out, them say I'm my fault. Them say I'm my fault. He never said I know Alary's fault.
But
after me.
Otherwise, so the series Alda Reid, the relationship actually become a real relationship.
If you look at TJ, if you look at the screenshot, I said to him that I have to get to know you on a deeper level before I can even consider a relationship. That is what
no, she not answer the question, bro.
But you guys love you. Well, I'm not gonna talk for you, but he loves you.
Cassie, this is my friend from high school. I love him as well, and I respect him. That is why I did what I did. You're not understanding. I didn't do it to hurt him or come at him. But I'm just hurt that he didn't defend me.
Them intimate when she did that Jamaica.
You see, this is me with
Bro,
Maya.
it's obvious, bro. It's obvious. She know what I talk about. He happy, but she know what I talk about, bro.
You see, and that's the thing that I can't bother with. I'm trying to avoid these type of conversations.
Yeah, bro. She know what I talk about.
So, Maya say I go make sense now.
I get disrespected enough, and I just
Listen, bro. Maya say them now a real relationship. It don't make no sense to me, bro.
You're not understanding.
No, but the one person mind and the real next person mind, bro.
Oh my God.
I
don't know if they had a relationship or not. I'm referring to the video that she posted.
But how are we acting like
listen,
Jaden.
she posted
Oh
my God. She posted a video stating that basically it's a series and probably link up and say, hey, we could do a series. You know, we can make a money. So I'm saying to Alda Reid that at the end of the day, by starting the relationship, friendship, or whatever it was, that way, that way, there's no way it could have turned out well because it didn't start off on a genuine, I like you, you like me, let's get together. It started off as, let's come together on the internet and pretend to be together to make money. Yes, I'm saying to her that
But
anything
Maya,
that you do
Aldari
on
just
this internet,
stated
especially when you
that.
do it intentionally. Yeah.
Maya,
Oh my
Aldari
God.
just stated that
Mm-hmm.
she's a longtime friend from high school and she love him and that's why she do it.
Yeah.
All right,
Love him as
Aldari
a
said.
friend.
But
No,
As a
I
friend.
Listen,
understand
I don't
that.
want to talk about
But at the
it.
end of the day,
Stop
she
worrying about my
agreed.
Yeah, then stop worrying about my vagina.
Aldari said
This is not what I
But-
came here to talk about. This is not what I came here to talk about. I came here to talk about the fact that I felt disrespected by this
If
person
you're
that I
not
was trying to help. That I was trying to help
Right.
him. I was trying to help him,
Help
and,
with the boom, boom.
and I didn't like the fact that
For
he
this-
didn't
Jaden, stop
defend
that,
me.
no, dog.
I don't
It
feel
look
like
like
this.
you don't
Stop with my
understand
vagina.
me, so you
I
know.
Yeah,
can't.
nobody like that.
You don't understand.
But look at him.
Jaden, listen,
Maya,
listen to
I
what I'm
understand exactly
saying.
what you're saying. And everybody with the Abel boss situation, the reason why I link up with Abel is because I'm the first person to come out and defend me. That's why. That is it. That
Okay.
is all.
And Aldari, at the end of the day, you're a big woman. This is what I said before. I said, even though I wouldn't have done it, you're a big woman. If I that you decide to do, my problem, I'm going to tell you. My
and
problem
Maya,
with the
oh,
internet,
Maya.
yeah.
Maya, one more
Them
thing.
love
One
tell
more thing,
people
Maya.
what- Yeah, go ahead.
One more thing, Maya. Also, I was introduced to Abel as Tavi's friend, by the way, just so you know.
That is what I'm trying to tell her too.
Him introduced me to
Oh,
to
well, we
Abel.
never know
Yes,
that.
that is what I'm
I'm
saying.
not
At least,
into
so Maya,
Oh,
that's why
that
when they
is that-
say, so Maya, that's why when they say it don't look away with
What
me and
happened?
Lando,
Let me
but I try
introduce
to
you,
explain to you,
Aldari.
say,
Yes,
but I
Tavi
try to explain to them.
introduced me to Abel as
Yeah,
his
them
friend.
did good. Them did, that's what I'm saying. You see when
Yeah.
everything
Never
happen,
know,
and
never
them
know.
So
telling them
everybody's
follow
saying
to
that
Maya.
Aldari do this and Aldari do that.
But
I
that,
was
me that,
introduced
been
as
try to
his
explain
friend.
that to you, bro.
I was introduced to him as his friend.
Oh.
So if you're gonna
Because
say,
Abel, that give me the hint too, you know. I say him and a real enemy are
because
genuine real
even me,
enemy.
this start pre-Able, because me dey on the live when Able call somebody and say, yo, nobody look
This
how that
doesn't make-
for Tavi.
I
That
would
means
look
them
good,
did good,
man.
but
You would
because
look good,
Tavi
man.
end
and
up
me and
this
Abel-
Able,
and-
and Tavi
yeah.
end up this Able, make Able just say, you know what, fuck off with you, bro.
Yes, it
And
was
this was
like
during
said.
during the late things, during the time when everything happened.
All right, hold on, wait. So when Abel and Tabby, brother, bad man, when Abel and Tabby, a long time I'm a friend. What?
So did you
No,
get Abel's number from Tavi?
Jaden,
No,
Never know
yeah.
that. Me
Tavi
think them
called
was a friend from
Abel
Did
long
and
you
time.
get
I never
Abel's
know.
number from Tavi?
Who?
Did you get Abel's number from him? Like
No,
when
no,
we
no. I
introduced
never
you?
had his. Listen, I never had Abel's number. No, that's what people don't understanding. I had his friend Carlington's number, and I called Carlington to talk to him about the crash out.
And it was
And
a
then
conference
he
call.
said it was Abel. He was talking to Abel, so he merged the call.
Right.
And it was after a live, that me, Tavi, and Abel was on together. That is
So
why
how
we.
you get the link up with Abel?
What you mean now in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Because him and Lando are friends. So all of them, we all linked up because I linked up, as I said, I linked up with people that were defending me online. That is it. That is all. Did content and go about my day. That's it.
Jaden,
Did you guys-
another
No,
thing
I
that
never
you
did
and
Carlington.
Tita need to understand. You see, you
I did see Carlington.
Jaden,
You can shut the
if
fuck up.
Aldari do it out of spite or whatever, the woman is a big woman. Why
And she entitled to Maya, that's what I tell people. Me say, even if she didn't want
At
the
the end
petty
of
and
the day, if a boy
spiteful,
do me
she
wrong and
can.
me feel like say me want to do something to be spiteful, and my business
Exactly,
that if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Woman a big woman at the end of the
And
day.
if I was
That's what me
Now
left it.
remember that too. You know,
And
like
if I was trying to
people
be
what
spiteful,
do.
Maya, I would have said it. It wasn't that. It's
Cassie,
because
this
they
one
were
about them.
defending me, you know. It's because them did a defend me. That's why I linked up
Watch
with
out
them.
now.